Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change your phone number on Marco Polo app. So if you have gotten a new number and you want to change the number and update it with the new one, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now the first thing which you need to do is to change the phone number. You just need to install the Marco Polo app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So you just need to open the App Store or Play Store and you just need to search the Marco Polo app and you'll be able to install it. So after installing the app, open the Marco Polo app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you need to log into your account. So this is the home page where you'll see the option of chat, find friends and various options on the bottom taskbar. Now to change the phone number, you just need to click on the settings icon, and from here you will see the option of your name, try plus for free and all of it. So click on your name, and under your name you will see the option of your name, your email address, birth date, change number and all of it. So click on the option of change number and a pop-up will appear saying this will transfer your account from your current phone to a new phone. So click on the option of continue, and now they will send you an SMS with a confirmation code to your new number. So you just need to enter the new number and click on the option of verify new number with SMS. So by doing all of it, you will be able to change the new number on your Marco Polo app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.